We'll guide you through how to install an APK in Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First things first, we need to go and enable some settings. So go and open up your settings like so. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down to security and privacy. And then you need to scroll down and click on install unknown apps. Now what you need to do is go and enable either your browser, so that could be Chrome. In my case, I'll go and enable my files as well, because essentially an APK is an unknown app. So you need to be allowed to go and install it. Now that's enabled, go and download the APK which you wish to go and install. I already have downloaded mine. So what I'll then do is go and find it. So in this case, I'm going to go and open up the Files app. So I'll click up here and then click on My Files. And then I'll go to the Downloads folder just here. So then go and find the APK you wish to install. You can then go and click on it just like so. And you're then going to see this pop up here saying, do you want to install this app? Click on install. It'll then go and say installing, and you just need to go and wait. When it's finished, it will say app installed, and you can then go and open it up like so, and that's it. You've now gone and installed the APK. It's super straightforward. The main things you need to do is just go and enable that setting, download the APK and install it.